Hey friends, if you wish to fix Notion desktop app not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Notion in the Windows search bar, and then there is no option to open app settings. So the only solution we can try before reinstalling it is to run it as administrator. Okay, try running it as an administrator and wait if it opens. Usually it needs a while for it. So wait for 30 to 40 seconds, that's okay. And if it opens, then you can log in. If that doesn't help, then search for Notion once again and then click on uninstall in the right pane. We'll search for Notion again. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select uninstall and uninstall it. Click on OK. And then once it is uninstalled, search for Store in the Windows search bar, open Microsoft Store, search for Notion, go to Notion, click on Install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.